he doesn't thrash it, he thrashes it. And sounds like he's done already. So anyway, here we go. Jason Smith with Frashr. Bacon coming out for his third set. This is set number 3. 4 fires for the afternoon. Wait for the speed tip in. Frashr. So, of course, thrashing it is what he likes to do. And as I said earlier, no, I don't have a speech impediment. That's another plate. He thrashes it all day long. Lynchy. Jason Schmidt in Frashr, coming up right now. Schmitty behind the wheel. He hasn't touched a concrete barrier at all over the course of the last day. All right, the Frashr. He is Jason Schmidt. He's going for the tip-in, I think. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, hello. What's going on there? This guy is smashed. He's done this about 18 times this weekend with no problems. cloud. Hey, I don't know, I remember Officer names very often.
And I think he's a pretty brave bloke to get in there with old Smitty.
In the Frashr, the ex-Commodore coming your way right now. He is going to smash another set of tyres here at Motorfest. This weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Frashr. So, of course, last weekend, the first show for the week.